Alright, Rise and Grind. I'm back at y'all with another video with the Pull-Up King. This is an addition to the service that I'm doing. Same car, same day. Nissan Rogue 2011. Already did the valve cover gaskets. Next we're going to be doing the CV axles.
We have emotion, nigga. We have emotion, we have emotion. Yeah.
Hit with another one.
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We have emotion, I swear I ain't bragging and boasting. On that leaning, that's why I ain't focused.
Okay, we got it up in the air, wheel off. As you can see, that CV axle is broken. We got a lot of play in the steering. When it turns, it pops, it makes noise just while riding. It's just a unpleasant ride. So basically, this is the problem. 19 mil. Hold this in while you undo this side. All right, 14 mil. Hold that caliper on there and swing that off. Put it to the side. Looks like we're gonna need to take off that outer tie rod. And that's a 14 mil. Get it off and just bang it. And it'll pop off. Right, need some new ones. Yeah, right there. You can feel it in the steering as well. Go ahead and pull that out. Alright, next we got these bolts here. Alright, those two bolts were 13 mil. Alright, before you take it out, you want to make sure you put a pan underneath to catch the transmission fluid that may come out. Let's see if we can pull it out. Look like it's coming out without me even prying it. Lucky me, lucky me. See that? It's no good for your transmission, for anything, your vehicle, period. The bad CV axles will mess up your transmission. I'll tell you that much. Brand new. Alright, we got it installed. Bolts in for that bracket. Now we're gonna go in. I'll put a little bearing grease on it just to lubricate and reverse order. That's bad. Brake calipers are busted. Recommend those. Pads are good, but these rotors are bad. I'm gonna recommend those and new pads. Now this axle nut went up to a 36 from a 32. I wanted to show you with this tie rod. I went ahead and I held the 14 mil with the wrench. Held it and I went in reverse and tightened it up. Alright, this side is complete. On to the driver's side. That is the ball joint, lower ball joint. And that is recommended. It's attached to the control arm. So lower control arm. This the other side. Yep. Both bad. That's the other one. Tie rod. Alright, and this side is basically the same procedure. You see you got a busted CV axle on the driver's side as well. It's a shorter CV axle, but it's the same process. Don't have that bracket right there, so it's not needed. Whew. Ball joint through. Alright, you got fluid coming out of that one. So what I did, I just went back and forth and was able to get it out that way. Sometimes you gotta pry it out with a pry bar from that end, but this is a lot easier. Alright, and that is it for the driver's side. Alright, we're just gonna add just a little bit of fluid, transmission fluid back in it, and that'll be it. Alright, man, if y'all liking the content, man, give the video a thumbs up. Go ahead and comment, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell. If you want to see how to change the oil next, go ahead and stay tuned for the next video.
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We have emotion, I swear I ain't bragging and boasting. On that leaning, that's why I ain't focused.